So guys, this is how you turn a pyraminx Rubik's Cube. I'm going to show you how to turn a pyraminx Rubik's Cube. First you will turn it like this. But then guys, don't turn it aggressively, because what if you drop it and some of the pieces will fall off. So guys, I was having a problem with my pyraminx, but it suddenly it dropped, so the pieces fell off, so I had to put them back. But luckily it was easy, but I'm gonna be a bit more careful. So you will just turn it like this. So you will turn it like this. So first the wet side, green, blue, green. These are all 4 different colors. But then if you're an expert at pyraminx, I'm an expert at pyraminx. I can solve it so easily. Then you can do it like this. So this is how fast I can turn the pyraminx. Very fast. Is it because my Rubik's Cube is magnetic? It could be, but not. But it can be different. Yup, that's how fast I can turn it. Speed cubes also do that, but I don't speed so pyraminx. But guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye.